Okay, so the tractor's gone and all the bits I was storing have gone, so I've got all the room I need. I've come up, the first problem I've hit here is it's fantastic having this space, but how do I set up my gear, my machines? When I was using an extraction system, these flexible pipes, and I've been using a homemade collection system where this goes around, collects the dust into there, which was using this small vac. Well, that is just not going to work. I tried to set it up yesterday, and the spacing of the machines means that there's too much pipe run. So I'm going to have to go for a ducting system, which I wasn't expecting. But otherwise, I'm going to need the tools all where they were in the old shop, which was a small shop. I'm going to need them all in a row, all banging into each other. So I've now got to work out a system for extraction, which is the problem for the day. So my only solution was to put an extraction unit over here and then go up and along, and then I've put a string line up, which you might see here next to the light, come along and then drop down for each machine in the middle next to the ramp, another drop down for that, for the planer, and then a drop down for the bandsaw. And you might see in the corner a wonderful extraction machine. So I've got really lucky. I realized a couple of days ago I needed a bit more power to run all this extraction, and I managed to find this on eBay, which was, I think, a bargain. So it's still going to be expensive. I'm going to put that machine over there and then run all my pipe work along the top, duct work, and then round and drop down to each machine. So hopefully there's only going to be a very small amount of this flexible pipe, and from what I've read, that's going to really help with my dust extraction. Nothing I had before could keep up with this new drum sander. Everything was clogging and there's sawdust everywhere. The new extractor machine can handle the drum sander easily, so that's a bonus. But there's always a downside, and the downside is it's going to be very expensive putting the ducting in and quite time consuming. But hopefully, once the duct's in, I've done most of the mains as you saw the other day. So here's my addition to the 3-phase, and it goes up and joins on, drops down here, and I've also got a 16 amp outlet for my 16 amp machines. This is a single phase, this bandsaw, as is the planer. And so is the sander, it's a single phase. So over here I've got a single phase going on there, which is a takeoff from the other single phase, and then I'll also have a 3-phase here for the drum sander. So all the cabling can be in the middle for the drum sander, and the extraction will drop down with a bit of luck. So there's the string, that's the string line on the joist. So I'm just about to order the extraction, ducting, just planning it out now. So I don't actually use SketchUp, so I'm just drawing a very simple plan and just an outlet for each machine. So let's see how it goes.